Today we're showing you a 2013 John Deere 4320 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor. This is a pre-emission tractor, so it has none of the Tier 4 emission regulations on it. Tractor is 48 horsepower, has just under 200 hours. These pre-emission low-hour tractors are very hard to find. Obviously, out in the marketplace, most of these tractors have quite a bit more hours on them. It does have the 400X quick attach front loader. It does have a little bit of a spot here right above this Hyd sticker where the previous dealership sticker was. Some of that paint came off there, so we touched that up. It's really one of the few flaws this tractor has. Has a John Deere style hookup for your bucket connection. Has the third function to operate a grapple. I'll plug that in right there. Tires are great. Did hose connections here for your loader. And again, that same spot here, you can see where we touched that up slightly right above the E-Hydro. Tires are excellent. Has the stabilizer bars, top link, 540 PTO. The rear hydraulic here is running up front to operate that third function on the loader. It's got the suspension seat, 3-range hydrostatic transmission, 4-wheel drive lever here to the left of the seat. Park brake does have the control there for your SCV right on the loader joystick. 3-point control, cruise control over there to the right. Foot pedals for your hydrostat forward and reverse. And again, just under 200 hours on it. It's a very, very hard to find tractor. 2013 was the last year they built these machines. They have just about a bulletproof reputation. We do take trades. We also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. We can also arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. If you have questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors on our yard, please feel free to contact us at masttractor.com.